Hello, welcome to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be creating the slot in our SolidWorks sketch. So let's start a new part file and click OK. And on the top plane, let's draw a sketch. And the slot tool is right here. And under the slot, there are like different types. The first one is a straight slot. So that's just telling you click your first point, drag it out, click your second point and drag it out to create your slot. That's the first type. The second type is a center point straight slot. So we click that, and what that means is you click, so it makes it just like a midpoint line. How we create our midpoint line, we can drag it out and click and drag it up and click. So that is how you create that type of slot. The third type is a 3-point arc slot. So that is, you click 3 times. So we click our first point, drag it out, click our second point and drag it, and click our third point and now drag it out to create it. So remember, we click our first point, second point, third point and drag it out to create that slot. And the last kind is a center point arc slot. So how that works is you click your first point, drag it. I'm just going to move something like that. Click, and now I will draw my arc by moving my mouse in the direction that I want to draw it. And once I have reached the point, I'll click, and now I can drag it out. So that's how you create the different type of slot in SolidWorks. Again, once you've created you can select it, and there's this option to edit. And thank you. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and I will see you in the next lecture.